Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have a scrapbook.com haul, and also I picked up some goodies from Frank Garcia. The first collection that I picked up is called Little Blue Things, and this is by Photoplay. It is a very cute collection. I really fell in love with the colors. Some of the images are very cute. I did pick up the stamp and die set. Okay. And then this is the chipboard. It is in the larger size. I wish it would have been a little bit smaller, but it's very cute though. I did pick up a couple of them. And then this one is the ephemera. So you do get a couple large pieces in there. This one, these right here are the sticker sheets. I did pick up a couple of these. These are a little bit smaller, so I do like that. Okay. And then I did pick up the collection pack as well. Okay. And there's more stickers. And I did pick up some extra sheets. So I did pick up some extra paper, and this one right here is a cut apart sheet that they have, and you can use the die that they have available, and you can cut these out. They fit really well. Not sure if you guys saw my last haul. I did haul this Christmas collection, and they have a sheet like this too. You can use the die to cut these out. See, it matches perfectly. There's a little ghost, and then there's a little sucker. Okay, so you can use the coordinating die that they have in this set to cut these out. Okay, so here's this one right here, very pretty. This is the back. And here's this pattern right here for the ghosties. How cute is that? That's the back. I really love this pattern right here. It's so cute. I love the pink on this collection. It's very pretty. And then got this pattern. If I could pick it up. How cute is this? I love the images on this one. I love the back too. So I did grab a couple. Here's the rub-ons as well. They do have these available. Very cute. And that's for that collection. I also picked up this collection from Mintay, and this collection is called In My Craft Room, and it is so pretty. I love the colors. I love the illustrations on this set, on this collection, I'm sorry. How pretty are these? So I did go a little crazy, and I picked up a couple packs of each. These right here are the elements. You do get 27 pieces. Couple of envelopes and tickets and all that fun stuff, some tags. Okay, and these right here are the sticker sheets. So pretty, you guys. I love this collection. And then I also picked up the sticker words. Very pretty as well. I did grab a couple of sheets of these. These are not pre-cut. You would need to fuzzy cut these or use your scan and cut. And here's the back of the. Here's the back. But how pretty are these? So pretty. And then I did pick up the paper pack as well. Very pretty colors. Let me show you some of the images in this collection. Get another cut apart sheet there. How pretty are these? That's the back. And I believe you get 2 of these, or maybe 3, I'm not sure. Look how pretty. That's the back. That's the back. Such a beautiful collection. And it just repeats. So I guess you do get 2 of these. 2 of each, I'm sorry. Okay. So that's the paper pack. And then I did grab the 6x6 paper pads as well. And I believe these are the same patterns, the same pattern as the 12x12 paper pack. It's just in a smaller print, which I really like. I did grab the 6x8 paper pads as well, and I really like the images on the 6x8. I think you can work with them a lot more than the 12x12 sheets. Well, just where the bigger illustrations are at, I think you can use the back, but it's going to be really hard to cut into. It's just because they're so pretty. Okay, so that's the 6x8. I did grab a couple of those. And then Stamperia came out with these patina texture mixed media art kits. Sorry, I wasn't in frame. I did pick up the what is this one called? I don't think it has a name. I think it's just called patina texture. And you get all those pretty colors. And then I did grab the rusty texture as well. Okay. And then also from Stamperia, they had this brand new collection, and I was able to pick up some molds, and this one right here is the, what do they call this collection? Sorry about that crinkling. It doesn't say, well, let me see. Gear Up for Christmas, I think that's what it's called. And I did grab the mold. Look how pretty that is. And then I did grab a stamp set. Here's the other stamp set. How cute are these? They do have other molds to this collection, but I haven't picked those up yet. Look how cute this is. It's one of their other molds as well. I will link them down below. I did pick those up at scrapbook.com. I'm not sure if they sold out, but I'll find them and I will link them. And then I did pick up a couple of these Simon Hurley Astro Paste, and these are glitter paste. These are very pretty colors. I did grab them in the Tropical Tango, and then Frostbite, Slippery When Wet, it's like a gold, and then this one is Bee Sting, it's like a light purple, and then Roar. And then this one is the Crown Me. I did use this one on a card. And then later Gator. Very pretty. Once they're dry, they are so pretty, you guys. I did make a card using the Astro Paste in the color Crown Me. And I did share this card on my Instagram. Here I did use a scrapbook.com bat stencil. And look how cute that looks. It's very hard to do it justice on video, but I'm telling you, it is good stuff. And how would I describe the finish on this paste? The only way I can describe it is as glitter cardstock once it's dry. Very pretty. Must have in your stash, you guys. Okay, so that is the Astro paste. And let me show you some other goodies that I picked up here and there. I did pick up some sprinkles as well. Look how cute these are. These are very pretty. And that's the name of it. And these right here are just pink. And they're called Cupcake. Very cute. And then I did pick up some other goodies. This one right here I picked up from LDRS. And it makes this really pretty foliage. I love the little roses and the other little flower it makes. It's very cute. And then from Spellbinders I picked up this cutting dies. These are for fall. And then I probably didn't need these, but I'm a sucker for dies like that. And then this one right here, it makes these hoops. And what is this one called? Gathering Stitches. So I grabbed that. And then I did grab this stencil from Paper Tray Ink. How cute is that? And then here are some dies from Tim Holtz. He had this new Halloween release. And these are the dies that I picked up. I do have the original dies, but I couldn't pass on these. I didn't grab the wreath. It's just because I think I have a couple in my stash and I don't think I need them. But he does have great demos. There's this one. Well, these are the stamps, I'm sorry. And I did pick up the coordinating die from Simon Says Stamp, just for this stamp set. Here's the other stamp set right here. This one. And this one. And then from Tonic Studios, they had this twirling teacups die set. Look how cute this is. It's probably going to be a lot of work, but I think it's going to be worth it. Okay. And then I did pick up a couple more inks to add to my stash. These are from Concord and Ninth. I did pick up Pink Lemonade, Carnation, Fire Rose, I think that's how you say it, and then Sweet Pea, I'm sorry, and Watermelon, Eucalyptus, and Tide Pool. Love those colors. So that is it for my haul, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.